Welcome to the battle of the rinseless washes. We've got the perennial favorite, Optimum No Rinse, with its spray sealant, Opti Seal. We have American Detailer Garage WIPEOUT with the new spray sealant, Valor. And then we've got Ultima, and this is a product that gets talked about sometimes. It's a little bit more expensive, I've found, and we're using its spray sealant, Paint Guard Plus. Ultima recommends 1 ounce to 3 gallons of water, so let's go ahead and do 1 ounce of ONR, dump it in there. 1 ounce to 2 gallons. You know, it seems like when most people do wash videos, the cars already look pretty clean. So this is Subaru Legacy. It's been out in the rain for a few days. I'm just gonna go over the panel very lightly. It's probably been a good week of not washing this car. So I'm just going it very lightly with the ONR. 1, 2, and wiping it down. Same Autofiber mitt, just obviously a clean one, but the exact same model. We're gonna do very light passes. Gonna let the solution encapsulate the dirt. Oops. And just wipe it down. Obviously, you guys are gonna say this isn't perfect because the sprays weren't equal, and hey, I understand. I get it. And again, ever so lightly going over the panel, especially because we did not pre-treat these panels. I'm just gonna go very, very lightly. And like everything else, we'll do about, hey buddy, we'll do about 2 sprays.
I locked the gate.
You locked the gate, good job, buddy. And we're just going to wipe away. Now it's time for the final inspection. It's kind of hard to see. Let's remove the tape. It's really hard to tell. ONR, American Detailer Garage, Ultima. Maybe if we stand back. I like the pop on that right side of the panel. ONR. WIPEOUT. Ultima. If anything, I think that Ultima might have a little bit more shine and gloss. But it's really, really hard to tell.